In this tutorial, we will insert a serial number, insert a formula, insert an ink equation, and a watermark. Step 1. Click and drag to highlight the area where you want to insert the serial number. On the paragraph group, click on the numbering drop-down list and select your preferred choice. Now let's insert a formula to sum our totals for both boys and girls. Click on the total area of the boys to create an insertion. On the table tools, select Layout. From the data group, select the FX formula. When the formula pop-up window appears, maintain the suggested formula and click OK. Click the total area of the girls to create an insertion. On the table tools, select Layout. From the data group, select the FX formula. When the formula pop-up window appears, maintain the suggested formula and click OK. Now let's insert an ink equation. This may be relevant when typing a mathematical equation. Click on the Insert tab from the Symbols group. Click Equation. From the Equation drop-down list, select Ink Equation. When the Maths Input Control dialog box appears, click and drag to write the equation. Word will detect what you are writing and convert it to a clean equation. Click OK to insert it in Word. Let's increase the font size to 24 to enable it stands out. We will now insert a watermark by clicking on the Design tab. On the Page Background group, select Watermark. From the list, click Confidential, and instantly the watermark appears in the document. TechTricksGh. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And comment on our videos to give us a reason to do more.